Hi everybody, this is Jana from the blog Lucy and Matilda, and here you are in my garage today, and I'm in my grubbies for a very good reason. I'm refinishing I think it's pine cabinet that I got at a garage sale for $20. So come along with me today and let's refinish this. Okay, first I'm going to sand it with fine sandpaper, or sort of fine sandpaper. When you're sanding, you want to sand with the grain. So see how the wood grain is this way? I will sand like that. And the grain goes this way. Then you sand sideways on that piece. I'll continue sanding after a little while, but I wanted to show you how cool this piece is. It's basically very heavy doors, and these, I don't know if you can see this, but the hinges are actually nails. So I'm not going to take the hinges off, I'm just going to sand around them. Okay, so I don't know if you can see me or not, but I finished sanding everything, and now I'm going to use an antique Danish oil on it, and I've never used this before, but I'll just follow the directions and we'll get going. I think you just saturate a towel and wipe it on, and then rub it once it's all on, so we'll see. Give it a shake. Okay, it's done. I'm done putting the Danish oil on. I'll just show you how it looks on all the sides. Oops. I think it turned out very nice. There's a little bit of a sheen, as you can see right there. Hopefully it stays that way. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like Oops, my thumb's in the way. If you like this type of video, hit the thumbs up for me, and we'll see you again next time.